How to create Google. Open Android Studio. Then create a new project. Click on empty views activity. Name your project. I will name it Google application. This is the package name of your app. Choose the language Kotlin. The minimum SDK 22. This will support over 99% of devices. Click Kotlin DSL and finish. Wait for the building process. After a successful build, you can see that build is successfully completed. Go to the activity main.xml. Remove the text view and then create a web view. Match parent, and the height should also be match parent, and then the ID of this web view, ID Google app ID. So you will go to the main activity.kt and the coding section val WebView Google, and then WebView, and then is equal to find view by ID r.id.google app ID. So then WebView Google dot load URL www.google.com. WebView Google dot settings dot JavaScript enabled. WebView Google dot set view client, then manifest. We will add a permission of internet. After this, you can see that our code would be ready. Make sure your device is connected and click on run. Our app is now creating, and building takes some time. After a successful build, you can check your phone. We will check our code again. Now let's check our application. Open the app and you can successfully see that Google is available in our application. Google. After a complete search, you can see that our app is really working well like Google application. YouTube, you can see, I will search the YouTube and then click on search. You can see that our app is working properly and it is working perfect. This was the video about Google application. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me for more.